at Bet's, coming to you live from the production floor here at Betco. We're running round the clock right now trying to produce some skincare products and some disinfectants to help combat the COVID-19 outbreak.
We went from about a month ago to using about 80 to 90,000 labels a day to about 180, 190,000 labels a day.
We're running a lot of fight back.
That's all this line does, right?
That's all this line does.
This is the busiest I've ever seen Betco in 36 years. The place is going absolutely bananas.
All right, we're here running the compass line tonight, trying to pump out as much as we can.
We're really busy.
We're pumping out the products.
We are working very hard. We are working now 24/7 at our company.
We shipped out probably 40 plus truckloads, as truckloads alone, just shipping all across the country.
I know we're selling a bunch of disinfectants and sanitizers, but don't forget about the Genesis. We need to sell some more of those too.